We burned the whole place, just he and I. We had a fire break around the neighbor's property, and we had them on both sides of the railroad track because the old steam engines used to set the woods on fire so often. But we used roads, natural waterways, or wetlands. Burned late in the afternoon. Probably never set a fire before 4 o'clock. Then started again the next day. The only piece of equipment we had out here was had a post out there with a pine cone on it, and it told us the humidity. Early in the morning it's closed up, in the afternoon and after a while, after you check it with somebody that's got a barometer or something to check it with, you can pretty much tell almost within a few degrees of what the humidity is. And that's the kind of feller he was. He measured rain in a GI trash can and a ruler.